Just in, direct off the last lady owner. What a gorgeous little car this is. This is a Mini One Pimlico Special Edition 1.6 petrol, facing this absolutely beautiful laser blue metallic. Lovely bright colour, great little car. Registered September 2011 on a 61 plate with full service history. Just over £1,000 worth of factory fitted options. Options include the pepper pack. Beautiful all the way around. 1.6 petrol, 6-speed manual gearbox. Let's take you around it. All the loading area nice and clean, no damage to the boot. Good size boot on it for the size of the vehicle. Got split folding rear seats. The bodywork is absolutely beautiful all the way around. 2011 car. Just look at it. No little dings, scuffs, dents anywhere. There we go, Pimlico Special Edition. .97 brake horsepower. All the wheels in great condition, no major dents. The odd little mark on one or two of those, but nothing major at all. Black cloth trim. Again, all in great condition. All the upholstery, non-smoker's car. No nasty smells. Again, the driver's seat, all in great condition. Part of the pepper pack, you've got the leather multifunction steering wheel. Stereo CD. Just look at the mileage, 44,504. That's what it's done. 44,504, 2011 car. Electric mirror adjustable from there. Leather steering wheel. Dual zone climate control. 6-speed manual gearbox. Nice touch with the Union Jacks all over the place on the car. All the heater controls, straightforward there, nice and clear layout. DAB radio, CD player, tuner. Great stereo in the vehicle, Bluetooth phone connection, all nice and simple to set up. Great little fun car, 97 brake horsepower, in absolutely beautiful condition all the way around. It really is a well cherished example. Of course, we have 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear, part exchange doors welcome. And we did a video to show exactly how nice all our cars are. Nothing is left to chance, giving you the confidence to buy this car unseen. Again, a bit more Union Jack on the exterior of the body. You can click and collect this vehicle direct from our showrooms in Stoke on Trent. Alternatively, we can deliver to your home. Ask about home delivery. Full details available. read about our raving fans reviews, and you see why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. Specialist Cars, a multi-award winning dealer. Any further information, please give us a call on 01782 822 700. If you need a more personalised video of any aspect of the vehicle that you're not sure about, we're happy to send you additional video with close-ups of anything you're not sure about. Phone number again, 01782 822 700.
So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you, give us a call 01782 822 700.